Hey guys, in this video we are going to go through this indicator, Smart Money Breaks-out indicator. Basically, the indicator will provide you some of the indicators signals to have a buy or even sell position, long or short position. So we will go through this indicator and go through its definition in this video. As you can see, the indicator also provides the winning vs the losing trades. So basically, 42 vs 37 is a slightly winning profit trade. So you can go through this and use it on your stock using your strategy. So let's start. First of all, we can go through the settings of the indicator. You can just go to the tab, the three dots tab, and you can find out at about this script. After that, you can find out its definition of this indicator. So in this indicator, red means that it signals out for you to have a short position or the trend is going bearish, while green indicates that the trend will be going bullish, and also it shows a buy signal for the graph. So basically, first you need to take note of this arrow side, red and green, and also it will provide the target based on the definition of this indicator. So you can go through the definition of this indicator. It uses volume analysis and also a few data to assist for this trade, and you can see for the indicator, and you also can find out that the indicator provides three dots: red dot, yellow dot, green dot. So it will provide at the line, as you can see here. So this provide a red dot. A red dot means that the volume is supporting for the indicator to go bearish. When red dot provide is occur, basically the have a small confirmation, including for the signal for the graph to go bearish. So as you can see here, have the summarize of the three dots color. So for red dot is a good position for short, while for yellow is a neutral position for short, and also for green is a bad position for short. And for green color is a good position for long, yellow is neutral volume position, and also red is a bad position for long. So you can just use the indicator to help out you during your trade. So let's start in the trade board pattern. So first of all, as you can see, at this indicator, we will study out this point. So basically, this point shows buying bearish position, short position, and you can plan your position at here. So we can take out the risk reward for the short position, and this will be our short, and we'll set our target to the nearest support resistance, and also for cut loss. So we can find out that the risk reward ratio is 1.24. Basically, this is a possible trade as the risk is lower compared to the reward, means that we can get more compared to the risk if we obey this cut lot and take profit point. So basically, for the first point, it will be a winning position as the risk reward ratio is 1.24, and as you can see, the graph is going downwards after it breaks through the position. So next we'll study out for the next position. So for this position, so basically this is our next position, and we can find our risk reward ratio, so we can plot our graph for our long position. So basically the candlestick will be at this candlestick, and for the cut loss will be at here, bottom side. Take profit point will be reference from the previous. So basically, as you can see, as we have no previous candlestick to reference for our support resistance, so basically this trade for me, I won't prefer to take the trade as the risk reward ratio is quite low, means that you will have more risk compared to your reward. So basically for this position, I won't take my trade. And also the yellow indicator for volume shows a yellow neutral position. So basically this volume will not support for this breakout for this bullish position. So we'll go through the next position. So our next position will be this position. So we can plot our graph. So basically, if we are going to take, we will take for this area, and for our cut loss will be at this area. This will be a short-term quick trade. As you can see, the risk reward ratio is 0.88. So basically, this is even position, but as you can see at the bottom side, there are volume breakout to shoot up the graph based on the workspace. So basically this volume will support to push the graph upwards as it is a strong breakout of volume. So basically this will be a neutral trade. So yeah, basically you can just use this indicator to help you to signal out your position, and also you can use other indicators to help you to support for your trading journey. Basically you can use any types of indicator. For example, I'm using for volume profile. So for volume profile, I can reference to my volume profile to make my trade. So I need to adjust this. So basically you can plan your position based on the breakout. Make sure that you also use other indicator to help to support. For example, want to use RSI, you can just use RSI to support for your trading strategy. And make sure that you run your trading for a few times before you start trading in the trading world, because basically this trading needs some experience and you need to familiar with your trading pattern. So yeah, basically that's all for today's video. As a disclaimer, this tutorial is only for educational purpose only and does not contain any constitute financial advice.